The Transactions tab displays all completed transactions related to the specified product, providing a full history of stock movement, where you can see the running total of the product on the right-hand side. The grid layout in your Product's Transactions tab replicates the same layout that's saved as your default in the Transactions Enquiry. This means that if you have created a custom grid layout in the Transactions Enquiry and set it as your default, that same layout will be displayed in your product's record. You can adjust the layout as necessary to sort and filter the transactions that have populated. Let's go through a couple of these columns, starting with the transaction date. This is the date that the transaction was completed and the stock on hand and value updated in Unleashed. The value column, i.e. the cost of the transaction, displays the product's total cost within that transaction. The quantity, which is the number of units included in the transaction, is used to calculate the value. And the running total, which is the remaining stock on hand quantity of the given warehouse. You can drag a column header here to group them for better viewing. Please note that accepted and cancelled quotes are not shown on the Transactions tab, as they do not impact stock on hand. If you want to view accepted and cancelled quotes, please use Quote Enquiry under Reports and Sales. Thanks for watching.